Okay, so if you have a problem with finding the sound files in the sound library folder here, I'm going to show you how to do that. This is Davinci Resolve 19. So if you want to add the sound files into your software, you go ahead and download, hit the download, and it will bring you to the website where you can download all the sound files here. Just give it a second. There you go. So you go ahead and fill in all the information that you need to fill in, like that, and then hit next. So now terms and conditions, check that box, register and download. Okay, so now we just have to wait for it to download. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna save this into the download folder and then go ahead and hit save. Yeah, there you go. It's downloading now. Just give it a few minutes. Once that's done, I will show you what to do next. I'm gonna skip over. Okay, so it's done installing, so you can go ahead and close the installer. Do you want to move the installer library installer to trash? Keep this package in this image and carry it. Just keep it. And close that. Go back to your Davinci platform here. So you can see, even though we downloaded the sound files, nothing is in here. There are no sounds in here. So what you want to do is, you can see these three dots up here. Click on that, add library. You have selected the library. Okay, wait for it to load. And this will pop up. If you remember, when you were installing the sound library, I selected this as the destination to install the files in. So I'll go ahead and search for I think Fairlight. Search for Fairlight. Yep, so now it's here. Here's the folder. So you left click, highlight the folder, and then click open. And then it will show this. So now the software is scanning the folder that you installed in your hard drive. So it's going to scan all of them. There's about 515 sound files in that folder. So it's going to scan all of them. So just give it a moment to finish scanning. It's going to take a few minutes. I will fast forward to when it's done. Just bear with me for a second here. All that is in front of him. Okay, almost there. So about 78% in. Just waiting. All right, almost done. A few more seconds. And we're done. So it will give this pop-up message here. So sound library scan successful. So all the video clips from all the sound clips from that folder have been scanned into the software now. So you go ahead and click OK. Now you can see that message that was here has disappeared. So there's nothing there. That means all the sound files are installed into your Davinci software. So I don't know, like if you search for any sound file, let's say horse, yeah, so now you see all the sound files are here now. You can, yeah, as you can hear, that's one of the sounds that you can download from the sound file. sound library. I don't know what else can we do. So there's a whole bunch of them here. Glitch. If there's a glitch sound. Blood. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a whole bunch of sounds that you can look up. Anyway, if